Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the passenger car in Metro Exodus. First, you will need to travel by boat to the terminal where the rail car is located. Once inside, retrieve the rail car and then proceed to the train depot. Finally, you will tow the passenger carriage back to the Aurora, adding valuable space to your train. Your journey begins by taking a boat across the water to the terminal building. Be prepared to encounter various threats as you make your way through the dilapidated structure. You'll need to carefully navigate the interior, possibly opening a large door or gate to reach the drivable rail car housed within a circular area. Once you have the rail car, drive it to the nearby train depot. Inside this area, you will face a few challenges. You must locate and pull a lever to change the train tracks, ensuring the path is clear. Then, find another lever to raise the large gate, granting you access to the passenger carriage. With the gate open, drive your rail car up to the passenger carriage to automatically connect them. Now, carefully drive your newly combined train back to the Aurora, completing this crucial mission. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your gaming setup or living space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.